This billing workflow is provided for projects that are built based on project transactions. The system uses the time and material steps of the billing rules of the project tasks to process this billing. A billing rule may have a number of time and material steps for different account groups of transactions that should be used to determine the invoiced amounts by different formulas. The time and material billing can be executed right after the project transactions that match the selection criteria have been provisioned in the system. The allocation process can be executed before billing if necessary. The project setup and billing workflow proceeds as follows. The user runs the project billing process to create a pro forma invoice or an accounts receivable invoice depending on the selected workflow. The system creates the invoice based on the unbilled project transactions with amounts calculated by the billing rules of the project tasks. The system considers in the billing the transactions with a date that is earlier than the billing date and does not consider the transactions with the date that is later than the billing date. The transactions with a date on the billing date are billed if include transactions created on the billing date is selected as the billing cutoff date on the project's preferences form. If the system creates a pro forma invoice, the invoice lines that are produced by the time and material billing steps are displayed on the time and material tab of the pro forma invoices form. We are now going to track a project cost and bill a customer by the time and material spent on a project. In the next video, we will configure time and material billing for projects, create a project with a cost budget, and bill the customer.